if I'm meant for wheeling, dog. Today is day 18, learning how to wheelie my Surron, and I still suck, but we're gonna get through this. So I'm gonna go practice some wheelies. So someone recommended me use the throttle like this, pop it up once, and then go like this, and let off, and then go like this, or something like that. But I just tried it right now on foot drags, and that looks like impossible for me. And he also said to get a foot lock, so I don't know if that would help, because I'm still learning. I'm still a beginner at wheelies. So it's your first attempt right now, fam. I don't know why I keep going on the left or the right. So I don't know if that, like a shift lock would help that. See, I'm just power wheeling right there. It's a struggle out here, fam. I don't know if this, because the street goes down, so I don't know if that's messing me up or what. Oh crap, that was scary. How do you stop power wheeling? That's what I want to know. He said pop it up and barely twist the throttle. The second twist, barely. Bruh, I genuinely can't wheelie. I don't know why I can't. I thought I'll learn by now. And I don't know if I should just keep power wheeling and just learn that way. Because whatever I'm doing, it seemed like it's working. Throttle, brake, throttle. But I don't know if I'm getting better at it. Because I'm losing momentum when I'm pushing the brake. You know, there's sometimes I want to give up. I just want to learn how to wheelie. You know, I came a long way, but I don't know, it's just not clicking for me. See, I tend to pop it up for a little bit and then I just drop it down. Like, I don't know if my brake's doing that or I'm doing that with the throttle. I don't know if I'm not feeling it today or what, but today seems like no progress. See, that's a good one. See, that's just a power wheelie, fam. I need to remember to look straight too. When I look straight, it feels like I'm doing it good. And my arm's straight. And then I'm not like consistent with my wheelies. Like, I have good ones and I have a lot of bad ones. See, I don't know how you guys balance yourself too. Like, you just keep going and going and going. Like, that's what I'm having trouble on. I'm like balancing myself. I also don't ride every day either, so I ride like maybe once a week or every 2 weeks. So it's not consistent when I'm riding. Damn. See, that's why I don't like power wheeling, because you just keep going faster and faster. Bro, I don't know if I'm meant for wheeling, dog, because I've been trying and it just hasn't clicked yet. Like, it's all throttle play, but throttle is like foreign to me. See, I don't know if it's like something wrong with my bars. They're not like straight, because I keep going side to side. And I don't know, fam. Bro, am I like the only one that can't wheelie? Because it seems that way. I'm gonna go practice at a different area. Probably go to the park or something. Because right here is not working out. See, right here I gotta be careful with no cops around, but it's faster just to hit the street and hit to the riverbed. It's just easier that way. So right here, it's just luck right here. You don't like come across a cop. But it is what it is. It's my go-to. That's the orbit right there, fam. I'm in the safe zone right now. Pop it up right here, fam. Oh, it's kind of good at practice right here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Because you're going uphill. But there's a bump there too, so I don't know. Oh, damn.